Hello guys, in the last video we set up an environment for our course. In this video I will be teaching you how to install all the packages in one go by defining a requirements.txt file. This file looks like this. In this file we'll mention all the packages that we'll be requiring for our project, and this will enable us to install all the packages in one go. Let's see how it works. We'll be installing using pip install rflag and the file name. This will install all the packages by reading from the txt file and install in our environment. This will take a few minutes to install. So now we have installed all the packages that we need. Let's check whether they have been installed correctly or not. Type Python in your terminal and then type import pandas. So yeah, as you can see that the import statement passed correctly. This means that the packages have been installed in your environment.